So today I'm going to be investing $1 into my Cash App Invest account. So you can see right over here, our total value on this account is $2.31. We had a pretty big drop today of 4.14%. Let's go ahead and take a look at our week. You can see here it's down about 5.71%. In the month, down about 30%. And I'll show you the one holding we have here. But year to date, we are actually 1 year, sorry. We are actually up 26.92%. And then in our all-time, we're up 131%. So what we're going to be doing today, and I'll show you which company we have currently as well, but we're going to be adding an extra dollar into this account. And we're going to be trying to do this on a regular basis with adding just small dollar amounts to show you the impact. So you can see right over here on Seeking Alpha, we are looking at the ETF, which is SCHD, which is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. So right now it's actually been doing pretty well. You could actually see that its current yield for the dividend is 3.31%. It does pay out quarterly, and it does have a expense ratio of 0.06. Now, if you are interested in signing up for Cash App, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below. That will be my referral link. Gets you a nice little bonus, helps us out, and then we can continue to do more investments just like this on video. So we're here back on the phone over here. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. So the current investments we have is $1. Investment we have is $1, sorry. And you can see our current stocks that we own is just going to be with SoFi. So we actually did a video about this a long time ago and just left that money in here. So it obviously did pretty well. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. You can see the Schwab ETF is in our following here. And that's going to take us over here to its home page. And we're going to go ahead and click on the buy button over here on the left-hand side. Now, because we're doing a one-time purchase, we're going to be able to go ahead and do $1. If we wanted to do this every single day, it would be a minimum of 10. So we'd have to manually come in here and do this investment. So we're going to go ahead and do that $1, click on next here at the bottom. It's going to go ahead and have our Face ID here for us. And it's going to just give us a quick update here. We are doing this during market close, so it's not going to go in until tomorrow. It's going to show us the approximate share price, how much we're going to have, which is 0.032 shares. Of course, the symbol that we talked about, and then the fees, which are going to be none for this one here today. So with all of this over here, we're going to go ahead and click on schedule here at the bottom. Now that $1 will be put aside for the ETF. And if you want to see how this portfolio is going to do with us putting in $1 every single day, go ahead and make sure you are subscribed down below, and we'll post up our next video right over here on screen so you can keep on watching.